Jiangsu Brewery Culture Technology Co. Limited. 360 Theater. With stage and dome become one. Mode 1. Immersive stage performance. Experience live shows on a multi-functional stage, dramatically enhanced by stunning visual projections on the surrounding sphere. Mode 2. Spectacular three-dimensional dome journey. The auditorium rotates, instantly transporting you into a breathtaking three-dimensional universe. Embark on a journey through legendary worlds, brought to life with captivating special effects for an unforgettable, comfortable adventure. To spectacular modes, one revolutionary venue, infinite possibilities. Imagine one theater. To spectacular worlds, the 360 Theater begins with a multifunctional stage, where live performances merge seamlessly with the surrounding sphere for breathtaking immersion. Here, you don't just watch history, you step inside it, surrounded by legends and special effects. This is the 360 Theater, a seamless journey from stage to cosmos, redefining what's possible.